Hey, in this article you will learn to build a simple and handy text-to-speech applet. Let's get started. Hit Windows key or search icon, and search for CMD, and run it as administrator. Type pip install PYTHON 3, link is given in the description. After installation, exit out of the CMD window. At first, we import PYTHON 3 library or the package. This package contains all the necessary drivers and tools required for us. Then we set the engine to SAP E5 for Windows, or leave blank if you don't know. Now we will get the properties of the voices using this code. With the help of set property, we can set the voice parameters like 0 for male and 1 for female. Using a text variable, we can pass the required text to the engine for conversion. Use say method to output your text in a speech mode. Unlike GTTS, this module works in offline.
Hey, welcome to my channel.
Written article and code is given in the description.
Don't forget to code scribe.
Don't forget to code scribe.
So, with this applet you can make your very own personal reader, and also in the next video, we will try to implement a GUI app that takes a PDF or a text file and read out for you. Cheers guys!